Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Voice Chat with a phone number. Voice Chat allows you to communicate verbally with other players within Roblox experiences. To enable this exciting feature, you first need to verify your account using a valid phone number. This process helps ensure a safer and more age-appropriate environment for everyone using the platform. We will walk through each simple step together. Once you are logged into your Roblox account, navigate to the main settings page. You can usually find this by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select the Privacy tab on the left-hand side menu. This section is where all your account verification and communication settings are managed. It is an important first step to getting voice chat enabled. Within the privacy settings, scroll down until you see the phone number section. Here, you will find an option to add phone number to your account. Carefully enter your 10-digit phone number into the designated field. Double-check that all the numbers are correct before proceeding to the next step, as accuracy is essential for successful verification. This links your device directly to your Roblox account. After entering your phone number, Roblox will send a unique 6-digit verification code via text message to that number. Retrieve this code from your phone and then accurately input it into the pop-up window on your Roblox screen. Once the code is successfully entered and confirmed, your phone number will be officially verified with your account. This crucial step unlocks many features, including voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.